Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about projectors. What do you mean by projector? A projector is a device that uses light and lenses to take an image and project a magnified image onto a larger screen or wall. There are different types of projectors like overhead projectors, opaque projectors, and DLP, and so on. There are more other these three projectors. Like if we define just a projector, then we have defined that this is a device that is used to project rays of light, especially an operators with a system of lens or projecting slides or films onto the screen. Or in other word, we can define projector that this is an output device that projects an image onto a large surface such as a white screen or wall. Now here if we define OHP, then what is OHP? This is abbreviation of overhead projector. Like a film or slide projector, uses light to project an enlarged image on a screen. In an overhead projector, the source of the image is page-sized sheet or transparent plastic film, also known as foils, with the image to be projected either printed or handwritten or drawn. And if we talk about opaque projector, so what is this? Opaque projectors are typically used to project image of the book, pages, drawing, mineral specimens, leaves, etc. They have been produced and marketed as artist enlargement tools to allow image to be transformed to surfaces such as prepared canvas or for lecture and discourses. And if we define DLP, so DLP is technically developed by Texas Instruments, used for projecting images from the monitor onto a large screen for presentations. Prior to the development of DLP, most computers projection systems were based on LCD technology, which tends to produce faded and blurry images. DLP uses tiny mirrors housed on a special kind of microchip called a digital micro mirror device, DMD. The result is sharp images that can be clearly seen even in a normal lit room. Now then advanced LCD projectors. This is a single panel for a single color, meaning one panel handles all the pixels that are created by the red colors, the second for blue, and the third for green. The color images travel as three separate beams of light and hits the wall. Here the colors fall on each other to produce the true colors. LCD projector is a type of video projector for displaying video images or computer data on a screen or other flat surfaces. It is a modern equivalent of the slide projector or overhead projector. To display images, LCD means liquid crystal display. Projectors typically send light from a metal halide lamp through a prism or series of dichroic filters that separates light to three polysilicon panels, one each for the red, green and blue components of the video signals. As polarized light passes through the panels, combination of polarized LCD panels and analyzer, and visual pixels can be opened to allow light to pass or closed to block the light. The combination of open and closed pixels can produce a wide range of colors and reshades in projected images. Then DLP, this is digital light processing, uses thousands of microscopically small mirrors which not only move pixels closer together for higher contrast and greater clarity, but also provides a greater brightness than LCD projectors. So DLP high resolutions make it ideal for projecting images or video in HD. Like LCD projectors, many DLP projectors also feature audio. future idea. There are some old technologies like this type of the and the new technology. This is a Pico projector. Some specials, there's inputs, composite videos, USB ports, card readers, audio out, speakers, throw distance 1.9 times, price range this is $200 to $800. HLP technology, we also uh, have an image. We can throw this type of image on our hands on any tables, and we can operate from here. Benefits of Pico projectors. First of all, I would like to explain that what is Pico projector. A Pico projector is a small hardware device like you can observe here. This is a device designed to project content from the smartphone, cameras, tablet, notebook or memory device onto a wall or other flat surface. Pico projector, also known as a pocket, handheld or mobile projectors, and they take a number of formats that work in various ways. Its size is very small, and this is a time saver, this is efficiency based, this is versatility, compatibility and price variations. There are some advantages of using projectors, that due to with the help of projectors we can present pictures in large size. Smaller images may become a greater. It's having a low cost, it's having a space saving, and this is easy to install. There are some limitations in using projectors, like we must have a dark room, this is often required. Then we need its maintenance. Installation can be more involved, and separate audio system required. Although in new advanced projectors audio system is installed into that projector, but in old or in many projectors we don't have such type of audio systems. So thank you so much for being with me and for understanding. I hope that I have cleared each and everything, but even then you can ask your questions. Stay with me, and if you like this video, then share with your friends also. Thank you, take care, Allah Hafiz.